Propitiation Sculpture update. I have just finished sanding this down, so it's nice and smooth. This hole holds the 3 nails that go on the bottom here. While I was out in town running errands yesterday, I had my friend who helped me make the nails. I had him tack weld them together and tack bar onto the back. So far with sanding all this down, smoothing it all down, it's about 2 hours, I'd say. Plus, I have finished clear coating this, and so all I have to do now is wait for it to dry. It should be dry, in fact, now, but of course I won't move it until I need to take it to the fairgrounds. But anyhow, this was about a half hour, maybe 45 minutes to clear coat, because I had to put that bucket upside down over there and had to kind of stand in an awkward position to spray paint, well, not spray paint, but clear coat the top all the way down the vertical beam here and out to the ends. I even clear coated the very ends. So anyhow, there's that. I'm about to start putting on the scriptures for this. I took a short break, and by short I mean 2 hours long. But I watched Zorro on the phone that I'm filming this with, and then looked up scriptures on my other phone. But anyhow, I've got the scriptures that I want to put on this all written down, and now I'm just going to pick wherever I want to place each one, and then I'll write it on here, and then I'll carve it onto here with this bit, or maybe a bird that's a little bit smaller, like that. So anyhow, there's that. So together about 3 hours on that, and I'm including 15 minutes for the scripture finding time, even though it was probably longer than that. But anyhow, also a part of the process that wasn't filmed was not yesterday, but Sunday at church. I asked my pastor what he thought, what scriptures I should use, and he suggested a few others, so and we went through that. So that time was minuscule anyways, but it doesn't matter. So anyhow, also I just remembered that I need to make the shims for this, which won't be too much of a hassle. Neither will carving the scripture references onto here. But although you can see stars up there, well, you probably can't, but there's a star right at the tip of my finger. Yeah, anyhow, it's fairly unclouded tonight, but it's supposed to start raining in like 5 hours ish. It is midnight right now, so, but anyhow, I won't have any time available to carve because it will be raining. So there's that. I've got to get as much done tonight while it's not raining. Also, I have less than 24 hours to turn this entire project in. It's currently midnight, and entering stuff into the fair happens from 1 p.m. till 9 p.m. So, yeah, like the entering in process starts 12 hours from now and finishes less than 8 hours from that time. So I don't have a whole lot of time to work is what I'm getting at. And even though the things that I have left to do are simple and they won't take much time, and I usually put those things off till the very end anyways, even though this isn't the very end, I'm not down to the wire right now, but I need to be. I need to push myself to get some stuff done right now while it's clear. Anyhow, that's it. So we're at 3 hours elapsed to add to the official time. Thanks for looking. God bless.